Welcome back to Native Speaker e-learning.
Okay, so in this clip we're going to look at how to suggest solutions. Sometimes you may feel that large organizations like hospitals, universities, schools, the government have the ability to solve a certain problem. And the phrases we're going to use here will be a combination of certain verbs and nouns that suit this kind of solution. So let's have a look.
Suggesting solutions, plans for success. This is the structure we're going to use. The subject will be organizations that we mentioned earlier, the government, the UN, the state. And then we'll use modal verbs like should, ought to, need to, have to. Why? Well, as these can be used to communicate a good idea or say what is necessary. Then we'll use the verbs set up, establish, and introduce. Why? As these can be used to start a plan. Then we'll need an article, an or a, so an initiative, a strategy, a policy, a plan, a scheme, a program, a procedure. Why? As these can be used to describe a plan or are synonyms of plans also. Then we'll need the preposition to, and we'll use a fixing verb. We'll just use various fixing verbs that are suitable in solving the particular problem that we've been asked to discuss. And then we'll put in the problem or the issue. It might not just be a specific problem, it might also be an issue or a challenge that we're asked to address. And we'll just put that in here at the end. So now we're going to look at what these will work like as sentences. So the government should set up an initiative to reduce unemployment. The UN ought to establish a strategy to increase prosperity in developing countries. The state needs to introduce a policy to improve the economy. Schools have to set up a plan to ensure the health of children. Road safety authorities ought to establish a scheme to prevent traffic accidents. Firms need to introduce a program to avoid health issues among staff. And hospitals should set up a procedure to admit patients promptly. So there you can see how easy it is to build these sentences.
So there you have it. Very simple. Just use these phrases when you're trying to suggest solutions that you feel large organizations can bring to a problem. Get some practice. That's all from me. I'll see you next time.